Cozy nest. Hello. I'm checking in today.
May I have your passport, sir?
Yes. Here? You take here?
Go by walk.
Either way?
So, yeah.
Okay. I'll take the elevator. Ooh,
This is second floor.
4? Okay. Interesting. M2, number 4. Here's M2. Here we go. Cozy, cozy. Everything looks new. That's nice. See a little bug flying around. Refrigerator. Some waters. That's nice. My last place didn't give me water. A little cabinet with some hangers. Wire hangers. Air conditioning. Turn that on. One thing I just noticed, if you look at this big blank wall, is there's no TV. But I do bring my laptop, so I can watch stuff on my laptop. And another thing you'll notice is there's no windows on any of the walls. So some people don't like staying in a cave, but I personally like complete darkness, so I don't mind it that much. And it's a lot quieter. You don't get any road noise, so I don't mind that part. Nice size bed. Got a separate shower, which looks like it's pointed down and it will actually spray on me, unlike the other one. And we got some shower gel and shampoo. My last place did not give me that. Nice towels. Towels are soft and smell very good. Nice sink. That's a little loose, but that works. And a little bum gun, toilet. Pretty cozy. Look at me, man. I'm a sweaty mess. Yeah, definitely cozy. All right, let's do the bed test. Yeah, that's all right. Spring mattress, so it has a little give to it. It's not hard, but I wouldn't say it's plush by any means, which is kind of par for the course in Asia. I'd say overall Vietnamese beds are slightly better than Thai beds. Some Thai beds are like sleeping on plywood. So this will do. All right. So this is the cozy nest. So that's all I got for this one. That was my adventure. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy. Hello, this is Jason, and I'm just getting ready to leave my current accommodations and go to some new ones over in District 2. So I did make a video of this place when I first got here, but I accidentally deleted the footage, so I'm gonna show you now. So it's got like a refrigerator, TV, a little outside kitchenette area that I didn't really use. I guess it'd be nice to have if you're living here for a long time. And then out here, it's just a little, very small balcony overlooking the alley. And bed, which was semi-comfortable. chair and desk. Got a blow dryer over there and an iron. And at least it has a little glass window for the or separator so you're not getting your toilet paper wet. But the shower thing, it just points directly out, so you had to actually hold it to shower yourself, which was not ideal. I gave him a little feedback on that. And then the only other thing was the air conditioner kind of gets loud every once in a while. But other than that, it was a good deal for, what was it? I think it was like $15 a night, which is cheap. But I am on like the 3rd floor and there's no elevator. That's another downside. All right. Now for the journey to District 2 to the new place.
Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.